Today I am reading Medicine Sulphur from the book Soul of Remedy, book written by Dr.Rajan Shankaran. Sulphur is the mineral remedy. It is the king of antisoric remedies. The main feeling of sulphur is that of being scorned, suppressed, put down, criticized. Criticized. The person is made to feel humiliated. His pride is hurt. Embarrassment is one of the main feeling in the sulphur. There is therefore a constant effort, a struggle to came up again to the came up again to the against to the someone to know something, to earn respect. He feels that he is expected to be good in his appearance, his relationship, and in his business, and this include his knowledge, talent, and capabilities. Failing this, he will have to face scorn and bear embarrassment. The struggle is for ego and honor. Ego is one of the biggest theme of the sulfur, and effort one of the main action. The effort and the feeling are both soric in a sense that there is a kind of hopefulness in sulfur patient. The task is not too high and they are often quite optimistic. This exists in sulfur patients the desire for business, the desire for make money and to be a financially sound. There is a feeling of being poor and consequently an effort to make money so as to overcome the situation of poverty. In the failed state, however, there is an indolence, a lack of effort, hence the symptoms is delusion, old rage are as fine as silk. This is contentment. There is no more action to try and get out from the situation. These symptoms of sulfur, which reflect the indolence, are very well known. Sulfur person may be very concerned about how they appear to other people. They have the feeling that if they are not perfect in their appearance, they will be scorned. Concerned that they should not appear dirty, they make a lot of effort to appear clean. On the other hand, they may neglect their appearance. They may be indifferent to how they look. They don't give a damn and appear dirty. This indifference to personal appearance is seen less commonly. They have the need to know things, to be inquisitive. They feel insulted when they do not know something and try to make up for what they do not know by theorizing. They need to feel good about themselves because they have the feeling of being unimportant and of being disgraced. Very sensitive to criticism, scorn, and insult. They live each in their own world where they can feel good about themselves by imagining that they possess great knowledge, a lot of wealth, and look good to others. They imagine that they are appreciated by those around them for what they are and what they possess. It is a struggle for ego, satisfaction, and this being one of the commonest trait of human being. Sulfur tend to be a overprescribed or underprescribed during practice. The patient feels that they are expected to be good in their relationship with people, and so they are caring and do a lot for the others. My one observation I have made about sulfur is that one child is there, they like to touch everything. Child is that sulfur child is that they like to touch everything as if only what they touch is real. Among the dream of sulfur, I have frequently noted the one of the being pursued by the wild animal. I have also found that sulfur patients are attracted by the monkeys. Physical symptoms are among well-known physical symptoms of sulfur are intolerance of the hunger, which is especially marked in the forenoon, desire for the sweets and fats, heat in the feet, hands, and vortex, offensive odor of the discharge, and almost mandatory history of skin eruption, which is itch voluptuously, intolerance of the heat and closed room. Rubrics are anxiety for others, hopeful, delusion body black is, delusion thin is getting, delusion disgraced she is, delusion want he will come to, ailment scorn being scorned, ailment embarrassment, fear poverty off, business talk off. Delusion old rage are as fine as silk, foolish behavior, happiness and pride, indifference personal appearance too. Delusion wealth off. Touch does not know if objects are real until she has touched them. Kant says vertigo from high places, cataract in the left eye, desire meat, desire fat, desire highly seasoned food, desire raw food, skin cracked winter in. This is all about, sorry, in. This is all about sulfur.